Welcome back. Once you have added someone to your business team, you have several levels of control where you can direct their access. First level of access, of course, happens at the team level. You'll see here that in this team, we have two members, and this person has been added to our business team. We have made this person an admin. We can, if we want, turn this person into a normal person where they don't have the ability to edit or administrate, but they're able to participate as a team member. Of course, we can make that person the admin again. Now, it's possible that we may want our team member to be admin over one board, but not admin over another board. Perhaps they're not ready to work with one board as an admin. We can go into a particular board. We can go into the board's menu, and we're going to see our admin at the top. We can change this admin through clicking on their profile, going into their permissions, and then changing their permissions to normal. This now means that they are no longer going to be able to administrate this board, but yet they're still left as a default to administer all future boards added to a team. Another way for us to add to a team member's responsibility, especially as an administrator, is to change the permissions of a particular board. For example, we have this personal board that we can go into, and we can then change the nature of the board. So, for example, we can click More, we can click Settings, and we can change the team. We can then bring this from No Team into the Trainers and Productivity team. We can make the board visible to the team and allow any team member to join the board. We can disable that, and then we can click Change. And now you'll notice the Thomas Duncan 1 board is now part of the team board, and it's going to be managed and administrated by this particular team member that has admin access. We can do the same thing for the video productivity tutorials, which currently does not have an admin. Currently, the members and the only one part of the board is the person using it. But we can change that by coming back to this front page, going into the board, once again clicking the More, clicking the Settings, and changing the team to the team that has the administrator. And now there are two administrators for all of the boards, and all of the boards are now part of the business team. The only board that cannot be administered by our team administrator is the one that we designated and that we change that person's permissions through their profile link. Now that we have all of our boards under our business team, we can then change the settings for all of the board universally, and we can customize permissions. For example, we can make it so that only admins can create visible or even private boards. We can make it so that only team members can be added to team boards. Basically, what we can do is we can bring all of our boards under the management of one person, with the exception of a that we want to continue to administer. So you have full control over how your members interact as well as how your administrator interacts. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.